The cult of personality.
Making his way to the ring from Los Angeles, California, weighing 224 pounds, Sean Morrison.
Well, just like any young superstar, their dream is to one day become the world heavyweight champion. And if John Morrison can pick up a win tonight, you know that his name will be added to the conversation.
John Morrison is arguably the hottest young superstar in all WWE. He's got a chance to turn heads because John Morrison will meet the world heavyweight champion next. They are on their feet in Las Vegas for the WWE champion. Well, this young man, the WWE champion, CM Punk, went through one of the most grueling matches last night I've ever seen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the WWE champion, CM Punk.
It became a no disqualification matchup last night. CM Punk defending his WWE Championship against Daniel Bryan. The special guest referee was AJ. She appeared.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Cause if I let him out, tear me up, break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make